I'm DIKWP, Xiaogong Abor. Your learning journey starts now. Think about the most sophisticated AI models out there. They generate text, code, art, you name it. But how do we really know what's going on inside? For years, we've been treating them like black boxes, just looking at what goes in and what comes out. Simple, right? Wrong. It's like judging a chef by their appetite alone. We miss the whole cooking process, the internal logic, the why behind the what. This lack of transparency isn't just academic curiosity. It limits our ability to truly understand and improve these powerful systems. So, how do we crack this open? Alright, let's flip the script. Meet DIKWP: data, information, knowledge, wisdom, intention. Sounds fancy, but it's the key to unlocking the black box. We're not just looking at inputs and outputs anymore. We're diving deep into the model's internal world. Think of it as a four-space model: concept space where raw data lives, cognitive space where processing happens, semantic space for meaning-making, and consciousness space where intent emerges. Our goal: to transform evaluation from a guessing game to a transparent, interpretable science. No more shadows, just clear light on the model's inner workings. So, how does this magic happen? We use a resource interaction model based on DIKWP. Imagine tracking the energy flow within the model, but instead of energy, it's DIKWP resources. We employ clever techniques: concept semantic modeling to map the data landscape, cognitive path tracking to see how thoughts form and connect, and intention alignment analysis to check if the model's goals match ours. The result: we can actually quantify the efficiency of DIKWP resource conversion inside the model. Suddenly, those opaque internal reasoning processes become visible, measurable, and understandable. It's like having X-ray vision for AI minds. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds great, but is it reliable? Absolutely. We've built a robust standardization framework around this. Think of it as setting the rules for a fair fight. We have standards for the evaluation process itself, specific metrics for measuring internal reasoning, efficiency, and even ways to assess the model's consciousness level. And it's not just theory. We've put it through rigorous validation using multitask experiments and compared it against traditional methods. The proof is in the pudding. The results are significantly better at revealing internal mechanisms. Plus, we built a prototype system that visualizes these dynamic paths in real time, making the analysis interactive and intuitive. Science validated, practical. So, why should you care? Because this isn't just an academic exercise. It fundamentally breaks the limitations of black box evaluation. We can finally see the strengths and the weaknesses of our models, not just guess. This leads to more efficient development, greater transparency, and ultimately, smarter, more reliable AI. It's about moving beyond just what the model does to understanding how it thinks. That's the power of DIKWP white box evaluation.